fún gbogbo nǹkan tó tara ẹ̀ jáde Wunmi. Àyàfi tó bá mọ̀ nípa ikú tó pa Mohbad. Nothing makes him happy no more. Even after seeing his baby. Which baby? Stop it and spare me your fuckery. Even after seeing Kábíyèsí's baby. Eke big but tofi guy grow, you see. Oh, eke o wa teke omo e jọra. Eke o wa teke omo e jọra. Oh, only by their look you shall know them. The evil witch, the Black Widow. She refused to tell us Mohbad is not in this picture. Mohbad. But he kept saying, Baba fe jogun omo. Ṣé Wunmi ní kó jogun yẹn ni? Abadeyemo, Liam ní kó jẹ́. Kí Wunmi lọ claim ogun Kábíyèsí fún.
Ilé ìtúgbẹnu tán o ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. Wá tún súnmọ́ bí kẹ́ wá gbogbo àṣírí ńláńlá tí Madam Bukky Jesse tún tú nípa Wunmi ìyẹn ìyàwó Mohbad. Wo wọ́n sọ fún Wunmi o, wọ́n ní kí Wunmi gbé ọmọ lọ fọ́lọ́mọ onílẹ́kì o. Táwa ló ní Liam gangan tí Madam Bukky Jesse ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Wo wá nǹkan fìdílé kẹ́ tún máa bá mi ká lọ. Káàbọ̀ sí DIGINAIJA television, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń wò mí fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ ẹ má gbàgbé láti tẹ subscribe button tó wà lábẹ́ fídíò yìí o. Ẹ like fídíò wa, gbogbo ohun tẹ́ ẹ bá ní lérò lọ́kàn nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tá a tún mú wá lónìí ẹ sọ sí kọ́mẹ́ǹtì kẹ́ ẹ sì máa fi fídíò yìí ṣọwọ́ sí gbogbo àwọn tí ò bá tí ì rí tẹ́lẹ̀. Wo Madam Bukky Jesse ló sọ ọ̀rọ̀ kan tó ya èèyàn lẹ́nu, àṣírí ńlá náà tún nípa Wunmi. Wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé Ọba Elegushi ìyẹn Ọba Lẹ́kì wọ́n náà ló ní Liam o. So therefore kí Wunmi gbé Liam lọ fún Ọba Elegushi o, wọ́n nítorí orí adé ni orí adé ìsì sùn ta. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn ṣé lóòótọ́ sí lọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Madam Bukky Jesse tún wá sọ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀rí tó dájú táwọn sọ pé àwọn lẹ́rìí tó dájú ṣẹ̀ wípé Mohbad gan ò ṣetán láti ṣègbéyàwó pẹ̀lú Wunmi. Wọ́n ní ṣe ni Wunmi lo ọgbọ́n àrékérekè obìnrin láti mú Mohbad mọ́lẹ̀ tí wọ́n sì ṣe ìgbéyàwó lọ́jọ́ náà lọ́hùn. Yorùbá ló sì sọ̀rọ̀ kankan o, wọ́n ló ń jọ gàtẹ́ kò jọ gàtẹ́, ó fẹ́ mọ fẹ́ jẹ ẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì tí ro. Ṣé mọ̀ wípé bàbá Mohbad tẹ́ bá rántí ẹ̀yin èèyàn, bàbá Mohbad náà sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. Ó ní wípé mọ̀mí mọ̀ kékeré ni Mohbad sọ fún òun pé àwọn fẹ́ lọ ṣe nílé àwọn Wunmi lọ́jọ́ náà lọ́hùn o. Nígbà tóun ó fi débẹ̀ lórí pé wọ́n ti fi lé pọtí, wọ́n ti fọ̀nà roka, ṣe wá rí pọ́rọ̀ ìfẹ́ mọ̀ jọra wọn díẹ̀díẹ̀ báyìí. Wo gbogbo àdúrà tèmi ṣáà ni wípé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad gbogbo àwọn àṣírí tó bá wà nídìí ẹ̀ kọ́lọ́n bá wa tú síta. Wo ẹ jẹ́ a gbọ́ gbogbo àlàyé tí Madam Bukky Jesse ṣe.
I'm going to be starting with the voice notes we saw today. Not the voice notes. We are going to be starting with some voice notes here. Then I'll play the voice notes. I'll talk about it. I know people will be saying, BJ man so yes, I have to speak in English because Tomba Shengbe I want chat to book on social media to am I communicating? I want to speak in English so that every other English speaking countries they can understand what you are saying. Am I communicating? Yeah. So I'll be mixing it. Is that okay? Are you okay with my English? Or you want me to speak Yoruba? Are you okay with my English? Yeah. I just want to show you that I can be calm, I can be nasty, I can be stubborn, and I can be very funny. Okay? Yeah. I'm gonna be showing you a lot of things today. Yeah? Yeah. First of all, when Mohbad died, yeah? When Mohbad died, I can't remember the exact date he died. I can't remember. Yeah? Because he's not my friend. He was not my friend. I don't know him. I don't listen to him. But when Mohbad died, if you know the date he died, just add it to what we are talking about. Yeah? So when Mohbad died, yeah? I'll be starting from when Mohbad died. When Wunmi, the Black Widow, when she put up an update. I have all that updates. I'm going to be reading it for you. Okay, 15th of September. God bless you, sis. So, Mohbad died on the 15th of September. Yeah? Am I communicating? When Mohbad died, I'm going to be reading how it started. Then I'll play some videos for you. Then I told you my satellite is everywhere. I sent some of my representatives I sent them out to go and officially, we want to know who Wunmi really is. Yeah? I wanted to know the kind of family she came out from. Are they killers family? And I came up with a lot of investigation, which I'm going to be putting out to you tonight. But before we get there, before I carry you there, when Mohbad died on the 15th of September, 12th, I don't know, time here, am I warning? The first thing we were told, yeah, Wunmi told us, somebody put an update. I'm not going to say Wunmi because I don't know who Wunmi was then. Mama Kafuin Shetiri, Onigele Sonu, Apokojaye, Queen Wunmi, Oteleje Queen, Olori Konlamo, Lori Oyeyen, beautiful Olori, Sherry. So when Mohbad died, this was Wunmi's page on Instagram on that day, on that beautiful day Wunmi died. Now, Mohbad died. I want us, when I'm talking, I like to put myself in people's shoes. Am I communicating? Am I being anything? Yeah. Okay, let's assume my fake husband died. I don't have one. And I'm not in pain that I don't have one. Okay? So don't pity me. Yeah? Now, when Mohbad died, let's assume I have a fake husband, a fake boyfriend that died. And will you even have the intention to get a phone to start updating? Wunmi had about 9 updates on that beautiful day when Mohbad died. Wunmi put update major. How did Wunmi see the phone? Now I want to tell you. Wunmi will be okay to type to put an update there. Do you know why? Because she was in the car when Mohbad died. She was with Mohbad 24 hours, 72 hours, 48 hours when Mohbad died. So she knew what she had done. So she was prepared for what to put out there. Am I communicating? Now, Eba Midiemu, hold that to your left hand so that you not eat with it. Now, Mohbad died. Wunmi put the first update. I became a wife on this day. This nigga is so intentional about me. Says who? Mohbad was never intentional about you. You forced him into the relationship. You forced him to settle down with you. You forced him to have an introduction with you. The plan was an introduction. Mohbad's mother and your mother, the plan together to turn the introduction to an engagement. Wunmi, I beg your pardon. Wake up from your slumber. Mohbad is never intentional with you. All you did with Mohbad was under duress, was under the influence of magic powers, which is juju. Yeah? He's so intentional about me. No one is perfect, but he always makes sure I don't lack. Wunmi, spare me your freaking fuckery. When they are looking for the most lying woman on earth, the award should be given to you, Wunmi. Am I communicating? He never made you lack. You are the one holding the key, the card, the account to all what Mohbad had. So you made yourself rich. Mohbad, not Mohbad. Okay? You lie a lot. This is one thing I don't like about you. You are a liar. You can lie. When you lie, a dead person will wake up. I'm sure when they take you to Mohbad's mortuary, where Mohbad is in the morgue Mohbad is, I'm very sure if you lie one lie, Mohbad will get up. She's so comfortable in lying. Olori buruku omo kekere. But he always makes sure I don't lack in every areas of my life. Most artists don't do wedding. Can you see? Can you see this girl she's a fake as in the fake from the pit of hell. Do you see? The wedding is not a problem. A problem is just she wants comparison. Can you see what she said there? I will put all these things up so that mo fẹ́ máa gbé yín padà ni. Mi fẹ́ ká gbàgbé nǹkankan. Ṣẹ́gbọ́, why the comparison? They don't want to settle down because they know many of you ladies, you just want to kill them. You want to come close to them, have baby for them, and kill them. Many of you ladies out there, dating celebrities. You have your mission. You don't love them. You love what they've got. If they were poor today, if Mohbad was still doing his carpentry job, this nuisance, this non-entity will not say that Mohbad is passionate about her. Passionate about what? He's passionate because what he Obwe ti gbina, Obwe ti di kanji dam. Passionate about your amukwoson. Eje kama solo. Most artists don't do wedding. Says who? Are you comparing yourself with artists? They don't want to do wedding because they are too young. Are you not getting something? Dumb skull. Many of them don't do wedding because they are too young for wedding. But just because Wunmi, she has her own intention. She was planned into the boy's life. That was why you forced him to do it. It was not Mohbad's intention to do that wedding with you. You were looking for a child. You were looking for a child. Mohbad was never crying for a child because Mohbad is still young. Mohbad came from a very poor family. Trench. He was planning to raise his sisters, his brothers, his family up. Mohbad's intention was not to marry. Point one of all these youngsters, young celebrity, that the next thing they want to do after attaining greater height is for them to marry. Nobody wants to marry. They just want to use you as a besum. They want to use you as one of their flings. Now, you saw Mohbad. Mohbad was vulnerable. The mother is another nuisance that had gone with another prick, another bola, to an herbalist. You saw that Baba Mohbad was not there. And Baba Mohbad used to be there, but your mother, he manipulated Mohbad's destiny. She manipulated Mohbad and told Mohbad to be careful of his father, that his father is behind all his predicaments. Am I communicating, my people? Now, Wunmi is now saying none of the celebrities did a wedding. Wunmi, it was not from Mohbad's mind to do a wedding with you. When Mohbad got to Malian's house, they told him there is this inkwalejo, what they used to give to visitors to lick. Mohbad lick it. After Mohbad lick you, because all the people in Malian's house, they've gone through that bridge, that Okitipupa bridge. They now gave it to Mohbad to taste. Mohbad tasted the fruit of Eden, and you hooked him there. Now, so don't ever say that many celebrities don't do wedding. They will still do wedding later in their life. But they are not just doing the wedding now because they know you chicken legs, toothpick legs, oloshos. Only most artists don't do wedding. But he proved how much he got me by doing ours. Now me no waiting there to me. No matter who I meet, it can never be the same. Can you imagine? Now look at this dumb skull. All she knows and enjoys to do is to shag friends together, shag father and son together, shag mother. You know, she's the most shaggiest lady in Lekki. Did you hear what she said? She said most celebrities don't do weddings. But Mohbad proved to her, because of the wedding, is wedding a yardstick to show you a guy loves you? Wedding is not the yardstick. Some men might not even do wedding with you, but they love you. They can die because of you. But because she wanted to prove something, and she has a plan for forcing Mohbad to go into that wedding, she first of all went to look for a child. Mohbad was not quickly to give her one. She went to the king palace to get it. Am I communicating? Now she brought that child and thought she was going to use it to hook Mohbad. And she did. Am I communicating? Now, at the end of her update, that was the first topic. She said, no matter who I meet today, a loving woman, somebody that is in love. You are thinking of another person. Many of our mothers, many of all these ladies today, when they lost their husband, many people don't even think of marrying again. Look at this Ashana. Look at this Akpokojaye. Thinking about nobody can be like Mohbad. Not even 2 hours that Mohbad died. She said, even no matter who I meet, go to the palace. Go to the palace in Lekki. That is your baby father. Stop claiming where you did not walk in. Oh, she said, you didn't walk there. You didn't labor with Mohbad. You didn't suffer with Mohbad. Go and claim the king's property for your child. Until maybe when we are dead, that is when you will claim that property for Liam. Liam's biological father is that man. That man that his cheek is like they put egg hole in his cheek. That is Liam's father. And stop saying it's Mohbad. Eke kábíyèsí, ìyẹn dàbí eke tó fi egg hole pamọ́ sí. Mumbo, that was her first update when her husband died. Let's go on. This is the second one. Mama Kafoyin. The second one is the nigga struggled till death. So when you know he struggled till death, why are you keeping mute? Why are you refusing to tell us what killed Mohbad? The nigga, and you are calling your husband a nigga. Go and call your king a nigga. Your king is a nigga. Your king that does not know when to stop. Your king that does not know when to put his dollar under his tie. He wants to sleep with everything in skirt. That is the nigger and not Mohbad. Olofuomo. The nigger struggled to death. Too many pains, threatening. He has always lived with fears. Continuous fight everywhere he goes to. Shetiri. Fighting because she's trying to establish to us. You know, that was when she said it was Prime Boy that killed Mohbad. Shetiri. Fight everywhere he goes to. Okay. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí, ẹ̀yin alálùbáríkà obìnrin mo bá sọ̀rọ̀ sí yo. Ẹ̀yin alálùbáríkà obìnrin. Ọkọ yín live in fear and you claim you love that man. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lọ́kọ ni mo bá wí o. Mi bá wo lórí buku. Mi bo lórí buku tó ń wá àjàgbá ejò. Tó ń wá tipa tó sọ pé òun wá mọ́tò. Olè. Alápá Tọ́kì, Ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ Ọlábànjí. Olè. Ṣebẹ́rí tán lọ kínlé lánàá. Owó tí ó fún ti tán ni. Olórí buku mi ti ẹ̀rẹ́ party Aunty Ellen. Olóṣì. First one tó ṣe yẹn ó bẹ̀bẹ̀ fáńkàrà ó bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún gbogbo ẹni ó bá ń tọrọ jẹ ni ṣé àwọn ẹlẹ́ni kó wá gbèjà kó wá sọ pé no justice for Mohbad ẹni tó jẹ́ pé lórí Facebook yìí homeless ni ọkọ̀ọ̀kọ̀ fún ní uncompleted building kan òun àtọkọ àtàwọn ọmọ ló gbé bẹ̀ for months wọ́n tún gbé kó bẹ̀ wọ́n gbalé fún ni paraga shop ẹ̀ tí gbogbo network tí ò ju 20,000 lọ wọ́n gbà fún ni inú ilé tó ń gbé wọ́n gbà fún ni school táwọn ọmọ ìlú wọ́n gbà fún ni àtọrọ jẹ ni bùkátà ló jẹ́ bùkátà ló jẹ́ ẹni tó máa yìí bá mi gún pa gbẹ̀yìn wèrè tó wà tó wèrè lórí burúkú tó lọ tẹrí lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ lánàá wọ́n yìí máa gún yẹn pa bẹ̀pẹ̀ yìí ẹ máa wo tí ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sọ̀rọ̀. He has never been happy for a whole day. He was called a junkie. Wunmi Mohbad. He was called a junkie, a mad person, mental issue. So the public would have another view about him. He's dead, at least you all won. Take your trophy. Now, this is where I have another issue with this dirty hawk. Ṣé ma tó máa ń pè ní hawk? Àwọn aṣẹ́wó Rita Lori. Àwọn olóbò town council. Olóbò souvenir. Olóbò buy one get one free. Àwọn ló máa ń pè ní hawk. Hawker, so ọmọ ṣe ọmọ ṣe kékeré, ọmọ pè ní hawk. Now, she said they called him a junkie. Yeah? She said they said he had a mental issue. Karimo told us this. We never knew about this. Karimo told us he had a mental issue. Am I communicating? Yes. Now she said, he's dead, at least you all won. Wunmi, can you come and tell us who are the people that won? Even if you don't want to tell us the father of Liam now, you said you all won. Shall you pay Bitimotini problem for Nigerian police name? Because by this time of the day, Wunmi is the #1 suspect. She said, you all won. Who are the all? So definitely, she knew what killed Mohbad. Definitely, she knew the people that killed Mohbad, but she just decided to keep mute. Do you know why she's keeping mute? Because many people that is involved with her that killed Mohbad, she knows when she talk about them, they are going to bring all her secrets out. So one John will she one. Let me continue. You all made me a widow at 24 years. Ọlọ́run ìdájọ́ rẹ̀ dá. Ìdájọ́ yẹn á dá fún ìyá ẹ̀. Á dá fún ìyá láyà ẹ̀, Rábì. Á dá fún bàbá ẹ̀. Á dá fún gbogbo nǹkan tó tara ẹ̀ jáde, Wunmi. Àyàfi tó bá mọ̀ nípa ikú tó pa Mohbad. Nothing makes him happy no more. Even after seeing his baby. Which baby? Stop it and spare me your fuckery. Even after seeing Kabiesi's baby. Eke big but tofi grow, you see. Oh, eke o wa teke omo e jora. Eke o wa teke omo e jora. Oh, only by their look you shall know them. Ibi ibi ojule ti mamo. Ibi eke ati ibi ojule ti mamo. Only even his baby. Which baby? Why are you forcing the baby on him? Let us decide. Let the family decide and tell them this is the baby. If you want to tell us that your son is Mohbad's baby, go and do DNA. Why is DNA so difficult for you? No matter where you go, Mohbad's death will haunt you forever. You can never escape it. I swear with my living God, you can never escape it. She said, even after seeing his baby, he became more worried. He became worried. But spare me your fuckery. I want no filter for my but she filter no more Kabiesi. But she filter no job lolas. But she filter eweke oba. O da bi gba to po ko banu je se keyen. O da bi gba to fi egg roll to ma fe yin si to ma di fo. O da bi boss Ghana. Baby yen shadow put to our face. Baby yen o ti re ba omo ri sha omo leyin adie ni. Sha omo leyin adie ni. Even we seen his baby. You want to call him Akoko Bimon? Bobo lo safin. Gbe omo lo safin. A ki fomo re bore. Gbe omo lo safin. Gbe omo lo síbi tó ti gbé wá. Omo bi tó ti gbé oyún. Odeyin monarch le gba wọlé. Blue car ló fi gbé yín. Threesome ló bá ṣe njo náà. Ṣùgbọ́n no obo ti e ló dá gbogbo ẹ̀ sí. Kò lè fàyọ ó dá sí ni. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn méjì tó kù tom munipu tom mu ẹpọ̀n. Rí bí dá sí fún wọn. Ìwọ ló dá sí. Threesome lẹ ṣe njo náà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ti lọ síbi tó ti sọ mi. Ṣé ń gbọ́? Ó tún ti gbé mi wá. Mi like kí n máa ṣọ́ ọmọ. Ẹ wo nǹkan tó kọ. The nigger died few minutes after I posted his son 5 months birthday. Aráyé ẹ gbà mí. Why to jọ pomo ẹ wo pomo yìí? Fine boy. Ọba po lẹ́yìn. Tẹ́ bá wo be ma wo ọba po. Ọba ṣá ó pomo yìí lẹ́yìn. Adéwálé ọba lọ́la. Ikú mà níkà o. Ọba bá wàjà, Wunmi bá wá bàbá ọmọ kiri. Ẹ wo bọ́mọ ìṣe fan. Tẹ̀kẹ́tẹ̀kẹ́tì. Ẹ wo lips yẹn, very round, systematic lips. Ẹ wo bíbà. Ẹ lọ wo bíbà yìí ọba. Ìgbà tán bí ọba, wọn bọ́ bá fa bíbà yìí sókè. Ẹ wo tí Liam náà, Wunmi gbàgbé fà sókè. Ìtorí ìyá Mohbad, ìyẹn ti kú, ó ti kú sọ́nà bí èéfín. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dákẹ́ ìṣẹ́jú kan fún ìyá Mohbad. Asna. Ọlọ́run á fọ̀run kẹ́ ìyá Mohbad, àmín. Ọlọ́run á bá wa pamọ́ àtòun àtọmọ ẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tán ṣẹ̀, Ọlọ́run á bá wa dáríjì wọn, àmín. Ọlọ́run á fọ̀run kẹ́ ìyá Mohbad. Gbogbo nǹkan tó fi sílẹ̀ láyé bó ti jẹ́ pé kò ní nǹkan kan náà. asán ló fi sílẹ̀, ìkà ló fi sílẹ̀, irọ́ ló fi sílẹ̀, Ọlọ́run abawa kẹ́, atẹ́sọ́run abawa atẹ́sọ́run rere, àmín. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ. Only this nigga died few minutes after I posted his song. 5 months birthday. Ara yìí ẹ gbà mí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ búra mi kẹ́ tó bú mi. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ later. Bro mi, bro ya níwẹ̀ ni. Èmi ni mo fa bro yìí. So ẹ má worry. Ṣé wá rí eyín mi? Wọ́n ti yọ eyín mi lọ. Wọ́n ti fún mi replacement. So tẹ́ bá máa screen grab mi. Mo ti búra mi. Mo ti búra mi náà. Ẹ jẹ́ a máa sọ lọ. Aṣọ kan iná ni. Aṣẹ́wó ńlá aṣọ púpọ̀. Aṣẹ́wó Rita lórí òkè ńlá aṣọ púpọ̀. Ṣẹ́rí aṣọ kan iná ni. Another that was the 5th update níjọ́ tí Mohbad kú. This nigga struggled to death. Too many pains, threatening. He has always okay. Àti kàyẹn tẹ́lẹ̀. Okay. Ẹwà Adéwálé. Ọba pọ̀ ni. Ewo ọmọ mi bó ṣe fine. Ọba lọ́la. Àjọ kọ́mọ lùbọ́ náà ni olórí oníbínú ni. Kí ló tá Adéwálé tí wọ́n ẹ̀ dàbí normal bí báyìí. Eléyìí dàbí pọ́n palm ẹ̀. Wọ́n wá stretch ẹ̀ báyìí. Adéwálé. Bàbá ẹ̀ á jèrè o. Gbogbo àwọn àfinẹ́kí. Adórí oyè láyọ̀ àtàláfíà o. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ sí o. Ìwọ kọ́ ló ṣẹ̀ wá o. Ìyá àti bàbá ẹ̀ ló ṣẹ̀ wá. Bàbá ẹ̀ ló dẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ wá. Ìtorí ṣe nìyá ẹ̀ sọ fún bàbá ẹ̀ pé òun ò marry. Òótọ́ àdẹ̀lẹ̀ blame ọba because èmi gan mọ bàbá ẹ̀ mi mọ ẹni tó ń jẹ òbò ìyá ẹ̀ Mohbad ọmọ dáadáa. Àwọn ò mọ̀ ìgbà tó kú náà la mọ̀. So possible kí ọba gan náà má mọ̀. Abẹ́ gbọ́ mi. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ní the nigga died. Okay, àti kàyẹn. Ìwọ ọmọ ìṣá. Ẹ máa gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ. Ó ní Liam doesn't deserve this. Tell him he would only grow to know his father through the internet. Wunmi ó ṣáà máa tọ́ra ẹ̀. Ó ní Liam ò ní mọ dáàdì ẹ̀. Liam tó ti ń gbé lọ sọ́dọ̀ bàbá ẹ̀. Ìjọ tí Mohbad kú ṣe ìríra ni. Ó lọ rí náà. Ó wá sílé yẹn náà. Tó bá ṣọ́ fún ẹ, gbé CCTV yẹn padà. Ọba wá sínú ilé yẹn náà. Ó lè sọ fún mi pé pàdé ìgbà tí Mohbad kú tán náà. Kí ló lè ya Mohbad bọ́ta fún nulé? Kí ló lọ gba lé mi fún? Kí ni Bella Shmurda lọ gba lé mi fún ẹ? Bella Shmurda òwìwí, ó dàbí hole. Ó dàbí ẹmọ hole. Mi rẹ̀ tó wọ́n gírí tó yẹn rí. Ojú ẹ̀ dàbí ìgbà táwọn àwọn TikTok lè mú fídíò ìwálẹ̀. Ẹmọ tí Chinese bá mú fry pan tó bá fẹ́ yìí tó bá ṣá. Ojú ẹ̀ dàbí ojú àwọn Chinese. Wunmi, ìwọ sọ pé ilé àmọ́ ní mọ dáadé orí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ló máa ti mọ̀. Ó máa ń tanra ẹ̀ ṣá. Ó máa ń tanra ẹ̀. Kò mọ bàbá ẹ̀ pààrọ̀. Ta ni bàbá mi? Ta ni bàbá mi? Ta ni bàbá mi? Yéyé o. Ta ni bàbá mi? Liam ló ń kọrin yẹn o. Kábíyèsí wa dá lóhùn pé èmi ni bàbá rẹ. Èmi ni bàbá rẹ. Èmi ni bàbá ẹrẹ́yẹ o. Èmi ni bàbá rẹ. Kábíyèsí ló dá lóhùn. Ìyá wa sọ pé níbo lẹ bí mi sí? Níbo lẹ bí mi sí? Níbo lẹ bí mi sí yeye o? Níbo lẹ bí mi sí? Ọba wa sọ pé nínú ilé alágbo, nílé alágbo, nílé alágbo yeye o, nílé alágbo. Wunmi àbórí ẹ̀ burú ni. Ìwọ sọ pé ní àmọ́ ní mọ dáadé. Ṣé ilé ọba jó ni? Ṣé ọba jó mọ́lé ni? Àbọ̀ bá wàjà ni? Tó ní Liam ní mọ bàbẹ́. Ọ̀run adájọ́ fún ẹ. Liam mọ bàbẹ́. Má disturb brain ọmọlọ́mọ. Ọmọlọ́mọ tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń dàgbà ni. Liam mọ bàbẹ́. Tí ò bá dẹ̀ mọ̀, á bá tàn. Bí ò bá tàn, á bá rọ̀bá. Àrọ̀bá ni ìbá bá tàn ni. Á pàtàn fún. Tàjẹ̀ tí ń pa lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ò lè gbàgbé. Àfi tó bá ṣe DNA. Bí a tó bá ṣe DNA o. Tó bá ní ọba ò ń ṣe bàbá Liam o mo wá lè bọ́ta lọ́la kí n máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ kúkú ti mọ̀ mí èmi tí mo sọ náà ni màá tún bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀ pé mi ò ń parọ́ ṣùgbọ́n before then Wunmi gba St. Nicholas lọ kó lọ ṣe DNA àṣànà now ẹ jẹ́ ká wá máa bọ́rọ̀ wa bọ̀ mo ti ń gbé yín débẹ̀ ẹ wo kíní. This was Adura's update. Ìgbà tí Mohbad kú. Ṣé ń gbọ́? Wọ́n ní kò ṣọ́ ẹ pé máa rọrùn wọ̀. Kò ní máa lọ lálẹ́. Tó bá ti di 2 a.m. máa lọ sọ́run. Máa wọlé ńgbà yẹn. Tí n bá lọ lọ́sàn-án àbí ìdájí, wọ́n á rí mi. Wọ́n lè dá mi padà pé mo máa ń búyàn jù. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Mo ò ní lọ lọ́sàn-án. Ẹ má máa sọ pé every mi ń shake. Èmi kò lọ lọ́sàn-án mọ́. Ó máa ká mi mú. Máa lọ lálẹ́. Tó bá di 2:30 a.m. máa lọ lálẹ́. Ṣé ti rí? Àdúrà ló update máa kà fún yín ẹ bá mi fi ara balẹ̀ mo yìí máa gbé yín débẹ̀ bí tá à ń lọ jìn. This is from Adura, Mohbad Junior's brother. Ẹ máa gbọ́ o ẹ máa lọ́ọ̀kẹ́ o mo ń lọ síbi kan mo ṣì ń kà kọ́ fún yín ni o. I am Mohbad's brother. I am Mohbad's blood brother. I am 20 years old. He is the second born while I am the third born. Àdúrà ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. I live with my brother and his wife. They used to fight a lot. Ẹ wo wèrè tó gbé update Valentine sí. Tó sọ pé Mohbad is so passionate about me. What are they fighting for? Ẹ bá mi pé wọ́n threaten me ya Mohbad. Wọ́n threaten me. Tó sọ di brekete di ṣẹpẹtẹrì. Ẹ bá mi pé. Tó sọ Bukky Jesse di Bukky gbèsè. Ẹ bá mi pé kó wá gbọ́. Because wọ́n bí lọ́wọ́ ǹjọ́ yẹn. Ó sọ pé wọn kì í jà wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn. Ṣé ìfẹ́ ẹyẹlé ni àbí ìfẹ́ àdàbà? Ṣé ìfẹ́ tó ní sí bàbá Mohbad tó fi ń pè wọ́n ní Josie tó fún bàbá Mohbad ní pet name kan iṣá òun náà ló fún bàbá láwo òun ló fún bàbá Mohbad yóò ní pet name mi ní béèrè lọ́wọ́ Wunmi small àṣànà ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa sọ lọ. He is the second born while I am the third born. I live with my brother and his wife. They used to fight a lot. Ẹ bá mi asterisk ibẹ̀ yẹn. They used to fight a lot in the house, and most times it was my dad. Ẹ wo bàbá tán sọ pé kò ṣe dáadáa o. Ẹ wo bàbá tí tán ṣépè fún o. They used to fight a lot in the house, and most times it was my dad that would come and settle it for them. Can you see that? Iya Mohbad, where were you in this picture? Absentee mother. Iya Mohbad, you betrayed your children while they were growing up. They grew up again. You betrayed them when they needed you most. Ṣé wípé wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ló wá ń settle jà yẹn? Bàbá yẹn ló wá ń settle jà. Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú apọkọjáyé group. Iya Mohbad is not in this picture. But you kept saying bàbá fẹ́ jogún ọmọ. Ṣé Wunmi ní kó jogún yẹn ni? Àbádéyẹmọ Liam ní kó jẹ́. Kí Wunmi lọ claim ogún kábíyèsí fún Liam. Kó yé claim ogún Mohbad fún Liam because kò ń ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ Liam. Kò ń ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ Liam. Ẹ̀tọ́ bàbá Mohbad àtàwọn family ẹni.